What you got there, Josh?
I got some chicken.
Where's the Wal-Mart sign?
Oh yeah, my leg.
Does it taste better eating out here?
I feel like I'm hungry.
How's the chicken?
What flavor is this?
Man, screw it, I'm gonna take some. Oh, I love lemon pepper.
It's chicken flavored chicken.
Hey, what if those cameras just swiveled and looked down at us? What are they doing?
This chicken's hot.
Yeah. People are laughing at us and what are they doing? Good job, give him some chicken. Give him some skin, give him some skin, man. Hit it up, come on.
Feed yourself. Did you eat it outside? No.
Have you ate chicken outside, like on the streets like this? Capture the moment.
This is probably the best moment that will ever be on Doomsday. Ever. Ask him if he wants chicken and get it on camera.
Salvation Army guy? It is your chicken. Come on, let's go.
Eddie, do it. He's serving his country.
Uh-oh. Alright.
Ask him if he wants some chicken.
Are you sure? It's really good. Well, if you think about it, the offer's right there. Before we eat it all, at least.
Hey.
Somebody asked that guy if he wants some chicken. He just standing there.
Do you want some chicken? She was staring at my chicken. Don't stare at people's food unless you want some.
Alright, can I start recording now?
No.
No. Until we eat. Until the chicken's gone?
This has been Eating a Chicken with Doomsday.
They're like... Oh, right.
We're eating for real now.
Should have brought some rice.